Hey everyone, I look so tired right now, but I didn't want to put this off anymore, so here's just a quick, simple, casual video on my phone. Hope you don't mind. And yeah, today I'm going to be cutting my hair till about here, I would say, so quite a bit of it is going to be chopped off. Well, I mean, it doesn't even look like that much, because my hair down here especially is very thin and just stringy. But, you know, I've been waiting for years for my hair to grow back to the length that it was. It still hasn't grown back to the length that it used to be. It used to be till about here, about 5 years ago, I would say. And now it's to here, but you know, I keep bleaching it and doing things to it and keep having to just chop little bits off. And at the end of last year, I actually said that I would try to not dye and cut it at all this year. I have actually not dyed it at all this year, which is very impressive for me. It's been over a year since I've dyed it, and my roots are till about here, and I probably should dye it because it looks so patchy and just not good. But I have cut it a little bit this year because it kept being so dry at the end, so I had to cut it and cut it and cut it. So now it looks like it hasn't really grown at all since the beginning of this year. I mean, it looks long, but it doesn't look any longer than it did at the beginning of this year. It just looks very stringy and dry, and I just think it needs a cut. So I am actually a licensed hairdresser. I'm qualified to cut hair, qualified to dye hair, everything like that, but doing your own hair is quite a bit different from doing somebody else's hair. I do not do my own hair like I do other people's hair. You can't really see the back of your head and everything, which is very difficult. So I just do my own kind of thing, the things that I've seen that works on other people. I've always kind of been doing it like that. So that's what I'm going to do today. But if it does not look good, which I don't know if it will, because I've never really done this kind of thing, so I really want to try to do a lob kind of thing where it's a little bit shorter at the back and a little bit longer at the front, if you know what I mean. And I don't know if I can pull that off myself. So if it looks really bad, I'm just going to go to a salon. It is my 21st birthday in 6 days, which is crazy. And I just thought that I needed a change for my birthday. And you know, if it doesn't look good, I can just gift myself a trip to the salon for my birthday, I guess. Okay, I think I said everything I wanted to say. Enough with the rambling. I'm just, you know, stalling. Let's just do this. I am kind of nervous. I shouldn't be, but yeah, okay, let's do this. So I'm just going to be brushing out my hair, and then I'm going to section it off. I actually really wanted to wait to do this till the end of the year, so I would have kind of done what I said at the end of last year and not cut it that much this year, but I can't anymore with this hair. I just need to do it. It might look bad if I do it myself, you know, but we'll see. I just think it's fun do myself, although yes, I am nervous. So I'm going to keep this right here so I can have that be the transition kind of thing where it becomes longer, if that makes sense. And then at the back I'm going to put a ponytail and just cut it right there so it'll become a straight line. So I'm going to make a really tight ponytail and then put an elastic band under it where I want the length to be, and then I'm going to cut that. This is not really a tutorial, but I thought I would tell you what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I've divided my hair into very interesting looking sections. I don't know what that is either. I put in the ponytail kind of thing, and right here I got the hair tie, which I'm going to cut it under, if that makes sense. My hair is pretty thin right now. It used to be quite full, but it's thin right now, so it's going to be pretty easy to cut through this. Let me get my shears. I shouldn't be dramatic and be all like, oh no, my hair, but to me it's just, you know, I've been waiting so long for it to grow, and then I'm just cutting it. Okay, let me just do it right now. My heart is pounding so fast. I don't know why. You always see people cut their hair on the internet and then you're just like, just do it. But then when it's you, well, at least for me, it's kind of nerve-wracking. But okay, don't be stupid, just okay. Okay, I did it. I mean, it's not that much, but still, it's, yeah, okay. So that's done. Wow. Okay, let's just kind of even that out a little bit. And this usually creates a straight line, because that's usually the way I do it. No, the way I give myself trims anyway. Okay, let's just take that out. I turned on my lights because it was kind of getting dark a little bit, but here is the difference. Yep. So we're just going to make this into a, what is that, like diagonal line? I don't know. English, it's not great every day, okay? I'm gonna put on my glasses so I can see a little bit more. It's probably a good thing because the lighting's so weird right here. I'm just going to be cutting it something like that. Alright, let's do the other side to make sure it's even to the other side. To fix this up a little with clippers as well. Okay, so I kind of fixed it all up with some clippers and just kind of snipped at it some more, and I think it looks pretty decent. But because my hair's so thin down here at the front for some reason, because as you can tell, like here it's pretty full-ish, but then here, especially here, it's a lot thinner. I feel like because of that, it doesn't look that great. And I also have some layers and stuff right here, so it doesn't look exactly like I would want it to, but I can't really do anything about that right now. It just needs to grow. But overall, I think it's transitioning from short to longer pretty nicely. The back looks quite even as well, as far as I can do that myself. So I'm pretty pleased with it for now. I don't really know if I want to go to the hairdresser to get it shorter, because I kind of want it shorter to like here, like I said. I mean, it's almost there. But I'm not really sure. I really like this length actually. I think it looks quite fun. I really want to make waves in it and everything. I think that'll look quite nice. But I don't know, I kind of want it a bit shorter, but also kind of not. I don't really know, but for now I've cut this plus some. So it was a, you know, quite a big step for me already, and I'm happy that I did it because it looks a bit fuller and looks a lot smoother and healthier now. I think it looks alright. I mean, it could be better obviously, but I just kind of need someone else to do it for me, because doing your own hair can be quite difficult. And also, you know, my hair's just pretty thin at the end still, so yeah. But you know, I tried. I don't think it looks bad. Hope you guys like it. And that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this wasn't a tutorial or anything like that. It was just for fun, because you know, watching people cut their own hair is entertaining, at least I think so. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you later in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye!